Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to clear your Instagram search suggestions because there has been a new update. But first let's hop on to Instagram. But don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, it really helps me out. I'm going to show you the easiest way. There is today. Let's go to the search bar and just click on search. Here you can see all my search suggestions because I have recently searched for them. And Instagram uses this to make their own algorithm and to decide what they're going to show you in your For You page, etc. So if you want to start all over, this is the way. So go to your profile page and click on the three lines. Click on your activity. And then you're looking for recent searches. And here you can see, and you can click on clear all. And then you click on clear all. So now they're gone. And what you're going to do as well, because you also want your history, you want to start all over again, and you want a new algorithm basically. Click again on the three lines. Click on settings. Scroll down until you see help. Click on report a problem, click on the blue button. I'm always choosing for don't include and continue, and then explain what happened and explain, please delete my search history. It's decreasing my user experience. And then you can click on send. I'm not going to do that because I don't care in what algorithm I am. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.